I got stuck behind a red light, so we're just kind of going slow till he catches up. Oh, I guess Steven, Asian Steven with the Grom also got stuck behind the red light. If you guys ever wonder why I say Asian Steven, it's because there's a Steven, there's MT07 Steven, and then Grom Steven, who also has the S1K. You see him more often on the Grom though. Everybody's riding so slow, man. What the hell? I know you got a Grom back there, but still, come up here, Kobe, so I can watch you wheelie. Looks like it though. Aw. Why you suck so much? He's trying to blame something else. It's nothing, Kobe. It's just you. Maybe my stunt gearing is just superior. That scrape slows stuff down a lot, man. I guess I gotta be careful with where I do it. You may notice this is the same route as the last time, but with more people. Okay, I don't know if I'm like messing him up by being too close or what's going on, so we'll just stay back here. Balance point. I hear him on my left. I just kind of swerved. You see that? Alright, gain speed and put it down actually because we're losing, falling behind too much. What do you guys think about the balance point? Is it boring? Man, my hands are tired. My arms aren't tired, but my hands are. That grom is awesome. That was a hard scrape. I've got a feeling my titanium is probably crooked after that. I'm not 100% sure, but I've got a feeling. Oh, it's not. Wow. I'm actually surprised. I thought for sure, but it's still straight. I like doing knee knockers through the right side curves. It's like, for some reason, it's just really fun. Surprised that titanium. I'm like actually shocked because it only has one screw in it. So there's been a lot of times like in the beginning when I got it, where if I scraped, it just knocked it like completely vertical. So pretty surprised, man. They're waving to us in the Toyota, man. They're waving in the Toyota. The Toyota Corolla. They have a bumper, oh, it's a Camry. They have a bumper sticker that says, "None of my kids are honor students." That's hilarious. Oh. If you guys saw that last video, I guess that lady was honking at us because we wheelied. I put some timestamps in it because I found out a little bit later after Gmar mentioned it. That lady was in front of us at the one of the stoplights, and right before we turned on the bridge, and so I guess we did wheelies in front of her. And she was upsetty spaghetti because she just doesn't like wheelies. Either that or she doesn't like purple bikes. I don't know. What do you guys think? Or it could have been blue. There was two blue bikes. Maybe she really hates blue. AMC Cinema. I don't know what this place is, dude. This isn't like a downtown, but it kind of seems like it almost. Cop. Is that a cop? I mean, it doesn't say police, but it looks like it. Well, never mind, doesn't matter anyway. Kobe, you're crazy doing that without a handbrake, bro. Absolutely bonkers, kid. Scrape, scrape, scrape for days, man. I need a third-person view of that. I bet that looks fucking awesome. Scrape. What was that? That was a huge drop. Oh yeah, we're going back to the TCU place. I will make sure, of course I didn't even show you guys that, so I'll just I'll just leave that part a mystery. But all I'll say is I did something stupid and I'll make sure not to do it again. But nobody got hurt, so it's okay. What? What? turning left, right? Kobe's showing off for the ladies. Big old dip. Hi. Oh, be careful. Huh? What? You're saying good or no? I don't know what's going on. Can't tell if they're mad at us or are they mad at us or happy? I think they dig it, but who knows, man. Oh, well, that was some rough terrain. Wasn't ready for that. Does Streamer know these people? How tight can we make it? Oh, we're going. Well, that was fun. Me and Kobe win. He's gotta have, bro, he had to have exaggerated that. There's no way that he almost just got launched off his bike for that. Every time I skid my tires today, my rear tire, it's just like, wants me to crash. Dun, 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 dun. What about it? Oh. Hell no, boy. I thought they were talking about my reflection. They're talking about the pride flag or calling me gay. That's a little sussy baka. Just give up, Kobe. You'll never be able to bunny hop. You're not as good as I am. Just kidding. Scraping the tunnel, my friend? I guess not. I suck. I suck too much. I'm not good enough at wheelies. I actually just got scared that I couldn't see where I was going, to be honest. It's pretty much like wheeling at night because it was so dark, and I hate wheeling at night. Unless it's Knockers where I can still see pretty well. Shame on you. Oh, that's funny. Oh my gosh, dude. You're so mean, bro. That's hilarious though. At least they didn't get all pissed off and whack him with the cane. But if they did, I'd understand. You need gas? I guess I'll need gas too soon. Of course, he probably needs it because he's a Grom. Maybe backfiring too much, losing all his gas. He just put his bike in gear. That's so funny, dude. He's been bullying Steven all day. I hear sirens. They after us. It's an ambulance, I bet. Oh, it is an ambulance. It's right there. Where's it going? I guess I should get gas while I'm on half a tank. If I even can from here, because it seems like my card never works anywhere but Quick Trip. I'll see you guys later. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, I guess I'll ask you to subscribe. You don't have to though. It really don't make a difference. If you have video ideas, something specific you want to see, let me know. Drop them in the comments. Like or dislike the video. Also doesn't really matter because nobody can see the dislikes. So, alright, I'll see you guys later. Peace!